Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satya and hello fellow sapiens. You are watching Motor Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today is a very exciting day because finally our Thar Roxx is arriving today. Yes, I'm going to get the delivery of the Thar Roxx today and we are pretty much excited. The whole family is excited and there is a small hindrance in that excitement. That is because I'm not that well. I'm on antibiotics because I had a bit of fever last night, but that's okay. I'm fine today. And yeah, we'll go there, take some videos of the delivery and enjoy the whole process. And of course, if you have seen my earlier videos, I had mentioned that I had made a booking in two dealerships here in Bangalore. One was a dealership near the ISKCON West of Court Road, and the other one where I made a booking was India Garage near the Palace Cross Road. And I should definitely mention this. The first booking that I made was on October 21st, which was near ISKCON, and there was no communication whatsoever from that dealership. I kept on asking them time and again about any updates and status. That was done on October 21st, and I didn't get any good response or positive response from them, and I went ahead and cancelled there. The second booking that I made on November 10th of 2024 was in India Garage, and they ended up delivering it earlier. And all throughout these 7 months, they have been in touch in some way or the other. I have kept on receiving WhatsApp messages, emails and stuff like that from them, updating about the statuses, and whenever I called them for some specific reasons, I had got very good response and positive response. So this is great, and I would like to recommend India Garage again for any of your Mahindra car needs. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take the delivery. So guys, today is the next day. Yesterday was pretty hectic, and that's where I couldn't talk to you, as I had to complete my office work, then leave early and then take the delivery, come back home, go to the temple and get the puja done. So it was pretty good, but we all missed my dad because he was in our native and for some reasons he couldn't come for the delivery of the Thar. But nevertheless, he has given his blessings to us, and pretty soon he'll be back here in Bangalore, and I'll take him on a drive on the Thar Roxx. I hope that he'll love the vehicle. So that's pretty much it for this vlog, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the delivery experience of the Thar. And thanks for watching. Request to like, share, subscribe, and pour down your emotions in the comment section below. Thank you.